Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Ken coming at you from Ken.com. 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true Phoenix. Rodan. Well, I've got brakes, and I know I said that I was going to paint, but I believe that I'm going to do the transmission next. Now, I went to the junkyard today. Today is what, April 20th, 2025. I went to the junkyard today and got another radiator, so I'm hoping that that radiator fits. We're worried about that another time. But today we're worried about transmission. Today I'm getting started. We're going to start rebuilding this 460 LE. And I'm going to do it by following someone that you may already know. This place is called the transmissionbench.com. And I'm going to follow that person religiously. I'm going to follow whatever that person says. I forget the guy's name, but I'm going to put the video on there and let you see him. I'm doing it right now with my phone because my camera is not as good quality as my phone. So I'm just doing the introduction right now with my phone so that, I can go ahead and get this out of the way. But I'm going to turn him on. You're going to see him. And I'm going to follow exactly what he says, and hopefully he and I will get this transmission thing going. I like what he does. He's a very good teacher, and he's got the parts and everything at his company on where you need. And sometimes I may stop the video and say something, and at other times, I may not say anything. But who knows? I'm going to try and rebuild this transmission, and hopefully, we'll get it going. Shout out to the gentleman that I bought this workbench from. I think his name was Morin, I believe. Again, it was Morin. I believe his name is Morin. Something like that. He sold this to me. Hopefully you're watching. If you are. If you're not, hey, this is for the people who may get this car one day. They may get this car, they may not. Hopefully it's for the kids, is what it's supposed to be for. But their mother wants me to sell it. I don't really care. I'm going to go in and fix the damn thing. Because it's a legacy for me and for my kids. Y'all take it easy. And I'm getting ready to get started with the other main video. And y'all take it easy, and I'll talk to y'all later. Sorry about that. Talk to y'all later.